We're in the Smoky Mountains National Park. We're at the Sugarlands Visitor Center, and we're headed to Cataract Falls. It's a pretty easy hike, very accessible, and it's a short hike. It's only about a half a mile one way. So we'll catch up with you as soon as we get over there, and we'll show you the falls.
One step at a time, I guess.
It really does. There it is, stop.
Yep.
What is it?
Oh yeah, I can't even see it.
What is it?
Cataract Falls.
Oh.
We're now approaching Cataract Falls. Looks like it's about 60 to 70 feet tall. Cool.
Very cool.
Oh wait, I almost see falls. Say you get cataracts from there.
Something here, yeah. You got a sign up there on that one too. Yeah, on top. Well, then, see you later. Winter.
Alright guys, that was it. It was a quick little short hike. We're at the Sugarlands Visitor Center, nature trail walk, about a half mile out and back. Pretty simple, flat, paved. Anybody can do it, so it's a pretty good thing to do. Probably took about a half hour. So yeah, we'd recommend it. Nice falls at the end. So yeah.
One of the easiest accessible waterfalls in the park, I'm sure.
Yeah.
These are the llamas they use. They go up to top of Mt Le Conte. They're the pack animals. It's the only way they can get supplies up to the lodge up there.
All right, guys, we're here now at the Trillium Trail to Grotto Falls hike.
1.4 mile hike.
1.4 miles there, 1.4 back, I guess. So
Mt Le Conte Summit 6.6.
Yeah, you can go. That's how they go with it.
we saw a couple bears on the way up here. So we're gonna go check this hike out. Should be a pretty cool falls area. I think you can walk behind it or something, we heard. So
This is the trail they used that the llamas used.
yeah, the llamas use this trail. We just saw there to take supplies up to Mt Le Conte Lodge. So we're gonna go check it out.
Grotto Falls.
Yeah,
That way.
You might as well just keep on going to Le Conte the whole way now.
I could. Look at all those rhododendrons. Is that rhododendron there? Why are they so huge? They're like huge. Yeah.
Hey guys, coming through with pack llamas. I need that dog off the trail as far away from the llamas as possible. Yes, sir. There's another one up the trail too.
Oh, okay. Hey guys, how you doing there? Cool.
Easy guys,
Easy guys. That's neat. You don't see that every day, do you?
No.
Yeah. Alright, so that was Grotto Falls Trail via Trillium Gap. Pretty good hike. It was just pretty much uphill the whole way, and then uphill or downhill the whole way back. About 1.4 out and back, so it was about, I don't know, 2.8 total, something like that. Yeah, so we never, I just started recording from the start here, never really told you guys where we're at or what we're doing. So this is Jerry, Kelly's dad. We're here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee for his 70th birthday.
Smoky Mountains.
Yeah, we're kind of here for a long weekend, so we're just doing some sightseeing today. We have a big hike planned for Sunday. We're going to go up to the top of Mt Le Conte.
In the Conte Lodge.
So this is just a little warm up for that. But yeah, that's where we're at and what we're doing. So stay tuned for that video in a couple days of our big hike to the top of Mt Le Conte.
Yeah, this was a pretty interesting hike on the way to the top. I think anyone would like it. We were fortunate enough to see the pack llamas come down. There's a couple groups of them, and that was great. I'm sure Mike's going to include that in the video here.
Yep, we got that, so that'll be in there. But yeah, it was a pretty scenic hike. It was short, but definitely worth it, so recommend it.
Right there. Walking down the hill.
Trash can.